Man, bro, these gators are nuisance, bro. He's gonna bite you, bro. He bit your ass. Hurry up before the fucking mom comes, bro.
I need a stick or something.
Bro, I think you should just cut it.
No, man, I don't want to leave a hook.
Man, Musa, somebody's gonna call the police.
Okay, I'm trying to take a hook out of him.
And then the mom's gonna come, bro. Like, dog, you should just cut that shit.
No. That's the right idea.
This shit ain't gonna close his fucking mouth. Put his fucking step on him. Now get the hook out of him. Hurry up. He's mad. Good shit. Now get the hose off him. It's gonna hook him again. Now let him go.
Go, bud. Go.
Get out of here.
Go, 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 go.
Get out of here, you little puppy.
Face that mom. Go, go, go. Face that mom. Face that mom. Backflip.